In this lesson, we're going to continue to look at percent. We're going to look at some of the more intense questions. We're going to look at some word problems. The same concepts as yesterday, where we were looking for the percentage of things, but how we can actually use them in the real world. Because they really are used all the time in the real world. Every time you go shopping, you're doing the percent of something. Whether it's a sale and you're getting 25% off, or whether you have to pay taxes and you have to add 13% on. Those are things that are a percentage of the original price. Okay, and what we have to do is we have to look at adding or subtracting our percentages of to that original price. So we'll start with a pretty straightforward one here. At Fair Deal, a TV is regular priced at $599.99 and is on sale for 25% off the regular price. At Big Big Discount, same TV, $899, but it's on sale for 30% off. What is the difference in the sale price of the TV between these stores? So what we're being asked to do here is to figure out what is the discount. So let's look at Fair Deal. There, we have 25% off. So 25% of $599.99. In other words, 20 out of 100, that's how big each piece of the proportion is, times how many pieces I need. And this is 119.99. Now we have to think here. This isn't our new price. This is actually our discount. How much we get off the price. Remember, it's 20% off of the price. So what's our actual price? So to find our price, we take our original and we subtract our discount, and we're left with our new price, $480. We can do the same thing for the other company, Big Big Discount. Same TV, it's $899, Big Big Discount. $899, but this time it's going to be 30% off. So bigger sale, but bigger original price. We're going to take 30%, so 30 out of 100, times our price of $899.99 is, I get $269.99. Again, that's our discount. Okay, so what's our price? Our price will be what we started at, subtract that discount, okay, leaving us with a price of $630. So it started more, had a bigger sale, still costs more in the end. Okay, the question is, what is the difference in the sale price of this TV between these two stores? So we had one at $480, we had one at $630. We want to know the difference between those two prices. Remember we talked about differences being the idea of subtracting. So I'm going to take 630 minus 480, and I end up at 150. And word problem, so word answer. The difference in prices is $150. So this is a perfect example of how you can use the percentage of something when you have a sale, a percentage off of the price. I'm going to get you guys to try one. We got Terry. He bought new skates on sale at 15% off the regular price. Regular price was $149.50. What is the sale price? Okay, so he has a discount of 15% of the $149.50. Percentage of. Put that into our calculators and we should get $22.43. Okay, the price, we always start with what we began at, $149.50, and we subtract our discount. Discount means you're taking something off the total, right? And we end up with $127.07. Okay, Terry paid $127.07 for the skates. Let's take a look at another one. The cost of airplane tickets during March break is marked up approximately 25% of what it normally costs. A flight from Thunder Bay to Orlando during January cost $600. What would it cost to fly to Disney World for March break? So this one's slightly different. And we're not getting a discount this time. This time we're marking things up. Marking things up means we're making the price go up by a percentage. And this is how companies make more money. They bring the price up. The idea stays the same though. Instead of a discount, we're going to talk about a markup. It's 25%. So 25% of the original price. The original price was $600. So the markup would be $150. Now, again, that's our markup. It's not our final price. Our price started at 600. We went up. So we're going to add 150. And now we get 750. And therefore, during March break, tickets cost $750. Okay, so those are our two options. Discounts make things go down. Markups make things go up. Either you have to add or you have to subtract. All you have to do is make sure you read the question carefully to figure out which one it is. Okay, take a look at another one. Before we get to that, we got to talk about if you have more than one percentage in a question. These can be a little bit challenging because people want to combine the percentages, and you can't actually do that with percent. With percent, you have to deal with things in stages. And the idea that I like to give is, if you went to a store and something was on for 50% off, okay, that means it's half price, right? And you walk to the front and the counter and they say, oh, a special deal today, we have an additional 50% off. That doesn't mean you get it for free. You don't get 100% off and just say, I get to walk out the door. What that means is, if you start at $100 and it was 50% off, and now it's 50, you get to the front and it's 50% off that new price. So now it's $25. Yeah, I have to do it in stages. Look at an example here of how that's going to work. Yeah, the cost price of a video game for a retailer was $15.50. She marked it up by 30%. What was the new selling price? Okay, let's do that. So markup, we know how to do that. We just did one. Okay, it is 30%, so 30 out of 100 times our original price, $15.50, gives us $465. And what's the price? Our price is $15.50, what we started at, plus the markup. Markup makes things go up. And we get $20.15. Okay, the second half of the question says, with 13% HST, what would it actually cost to buy? HST is taxes. Taxes are markups. They make your price go up. The government gets a little bit of your money. Okay? But it's not a markup on the original price. It's a markup on what you're currently at. So in this case, I've got 13%, call this tax, of our original price, no, our new price, 2015. So it's a percentage of something that already has a percentage on it. I'm doing this in stages. It's 262. The actual cost would be the 2015, what we started at, plus the extra markup, the taxes, to come out to 2277. It would actually cost $22.77 to buy the game. Okay, so stages. It's true if you're discounting and then taxes, or markups then taxes. Taxes are always on after you've done whatever other issues you've had to deal with. Okay, we'll try the last one here. We got Jeff. He's buying a tennis racket for $98. If it's on sale for 25% off, how much was the sale price? Well, we can do that. We have percentage off, so that means it's a discount. How much? times 25 on the $98 we started with, which gives us 24.5. That's our discount. So our actual price, start at 98. We're taking some of it off, 24.50. We're ending up at 73.50. Okay, part B. The store is having a sidewalk sale, offers an additional 10% off at the register. What's the new price? Oh, we get another discount. So in part B, I think it was 10% off, right? We have a new discount. It's 10% off, so 10 out of 100, on the new price, which is $73.50, which comes out to 7.35. So we have a new price now. Let's start at $73.50. We're going to take off $7.35. We're going to be left with $66.15. Okay, more discounts. But again, it's on the new price. Okay, part C. HST is charged at 13%. How much does it actually cost? Okay, taxes. So our taxes are based on the new price. They're at 13%, so 13 of 100 times our new price, $66.15, which comes out to approximately $8.60. Okay. What does it actually cost? Well, it started at $66.15, and then we have to add taxes to it because taxes are a markup of $8.60, and we end up at $74.75. The actual cost of the racket is $74.75. And that question, if you could do it, covers everything we need to know about percents, basically. Do it in stages. Discounts take things off. Markups put things on. And percentage of means out of 100 times the original value. Okay, try the sheet, as usual. There's a couple questions on percentage. If you got that figured out, awesome. If not, come see me and we'll figure